Credit. It's a thing they didn't teach us in school, but since they didn't, I will. Consumer debt has reached $17 trillion in America. Yes, I said trillion. Yes, some debt is good, but if you don't understand financial literacy, you could put yourself in the hole. 1 in 5 Americans have no money in their savings account, and this is why it's important to understand financial literacy and credit. So in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down the credit system, how it works, and how we can leverage credit to avoid the debt trap. I'm D'Angelo, and together we'll be breaking down the credit game. So my freshman year of college, I got my first credit card with Wells Fargo. My mom told me to get a credit card to build my credit, but fast forward a few months, I'm using the credit card, I'm making the minimum payments, but every month my balance would go up, and that was due to the interest that was accruing on the credit card. So I didn't really understand credit and the credit system, so I want to give you guys a breakdown of how credit works. So when it comes to the credit system, you have 3 credit reporting agencies. You have Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. So with each credit reporting agency, you'll have a FICO score. So your FICO score will determine your credit worthiness. The FICO score is comprised of 6 factors. You have your payment history, your credit card utilization, number of derogatory marks, average age of credit history, total number of accounts, and number of hard inquiries. So these 6 factors determine your credit score. Your credit score determines what you can get from the banks. So having a 720 plus FICO score can give you access to hundreds of thousands of dollars in capital that you can use to improve your lifestyle and grow your business. So on the lifestyle aspect, now you can get cars at lower interest rates, you can get houses at lower interest rates, you can get access to the best credit cards that have rewards such as travel points, cash back. And on the business side, now you can leverage 0% interest business credit to purchase equipment, hire employees, put down as a down payment on an investment property, things that can grow your revenue, increase your profits. And on the personal side, you can improve your lifestyle and get debt at a cheaper rate. Having the understanding and knowing the importance of leveraging your credit to improve your lifestyle and grow your business is super important. So every now and then I'll get a client that has a 700 credit score, but they have a thin profile. They may only have 1 or 2 accounts, and we're still getting denied credit cards and loans. First things first, you wanna add credit builders. So if you don't already have 5 to 10 positive accounts, you want to open up credit building accounts. Some credit builder accounts that I recommend is Kikoff, Self, Tomocredit, and Grain. You also have rent reporting accounts. So there's companies that'll reward you on your credit profile for paying your rent. So RentReporters is one that I recommend, and you can actually backdate your rental history 5 years, which will help your credit history. Another thing you can do, you can get added as an authorized user to a credit card. So let's say your parents, you might have an older sibling or somebody you trust that can add you as an authorized user to a credit card. So this will help add history and add credit card limits to your profile. So understanding how to build out your credit profile and improve your credit score is super important. You want to build it out, keep these accounts open on your credit report for at least 12 months. You got to show the lenders that, hey, I've been making these payments on time and I'm ready to graduate to the big boy, big girl credit limits. So just understand it takes patience, consistency, and it takes time to build out your credit report. But in the long run, you'll get rewarded on the back end with getting high limit credit cards, 0% interest, and you'll be able to get what you want from any bank. Now, if you're ready to start leveraging your credit, but you have some derogatory marks on your report, I recommend watching my video to the left, where I break down the actual way on how you can delete charge-offs and collections off your credit report. I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Hit the subscribe button, and as always, have a play for your money, family. Let's get it.